everyone, welcome back to Play Acoustic. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Animal Instinct by Cranberries. It's very easy to play and you can play almost every part of the song on just 4 chords, and there is only one different way. It's starting G, D, C at 9, and the other one is all the same. And if you are ready, I am ready too, and let's get started to learn, and hope you will enjoy this video. After watching, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the more videos. Now let's go and let's get started. First of all, same as usual, I'm gonna show just the chords. The first chord is E minor, and the second one is A minor 7. It's a classic E minor, only you will not push your ring finger. Okay, this is E minor, this is E minor 7. And the different kind of chord is, the third one is C at 9. This is C. You will not push your index finger first fret of B. You will now, your pinky will be in the third fret of B. Okay. Fourth one is D. It's a classic D. I think it's so easy to play for you anymore. And for the bridge part, we only need is G. You can play G like this, one finger or 2 finger, doesn't matter. I prefer one finger because it's easy to play. Okay, chord progress is E minor, A minor 7, C at 9, D. That's it. Okay, E minor, A minor 7, C at 9, and D. When you play, sorry, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Slower. E minor, A minor 7, and C at 9, and on the D, just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, little bit faster. And on the bridge part, it's starting with "It's a lovely thing that we have, it's a lovely thing that we," and for that side we use the song is G, D, C at 9 and D again. It's like this. In the same strumming pattern. Okay, and then go to first progress. And that's it. You see, it's very easy to play. I think you're gonna play very well after watching this video. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you will enjoy this lesson. After watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I wanna grow, and I would like to share my experience with your audience. And hope you will enjoy this video. You see, every time I'm gonna show you all the time the easy songs and the 4-chord songs and other things. In the next lesson there will be some different kind of lesson. There will be a solo part, chord part. It's a Bob Marley song, by the way. And if you are curious about my next lesson, please subscribe my channel, and next week you will see in the new video in this channel. And also now I have an Instagram account. If you wanna search as a Play Acoustic official in the Instagram, you're gonna find me. And hope you will enjoy it again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel once again, and take care of yourself till next lesson. Have a great day, buddy. See you.